Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy M23 5G. First of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have pulled it back, you will find it here at this place. So here's been the phone in formerly, and here at this place you should find the SIM ejection tool. Just release it like that. And yeah, otherwise, if you don't have it anymore, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, no matter if you have one or two SIM cards inserted, the microSD card have its own position here at the end. So insert it carefully. So, and this is how it should look like then at the end. As I've said, one or two SIM cards, it doesn't matter. It's the same for the microSD card, and the contacts are below. Okay, after, just put the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos like how to transfer the data later from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. Yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.